Sir, kunin lang po namin yung response nyo din dun sa isang question ni Attorney Tolentino kanina. Sabi po niya, bakit daw po sa Pasay isinampa yung kaso against Jay Sonza? Kasi sabi niya, I quote, the alleged offended party is the President of the Philippines, so it should not be filed here in Pasay daw po on the ground that the President does not have a house here in Pasay, and then second, he does not have an office here in Pasay. So why was it filed here?
Alam niyo po, kahit sagutin ko ng according dun sa aking nalalaman at kahit sino pong sumagot, it will not create any bearing. Kasi nga po, again, I'm saying nasa korte na po to, it will be the court who will decide on the matter. Pero just to address bakit sa Pasay, it was the investigation of the National Bureau of Investigation. Kami po yung nag-case build-up, kami yung nag-file sa DOJ, and ang opisina po ng NBI ay nasa Pasay. That is the simple explanation. But all to the other issues na sinasabi po niya, again, it will go to the main case, sa depensa po niyan, which the Regional Trial Court of Pasay and the judge will decide. Hindi po tayo.